Hi, I'm Amber Brewer. Welcome to 112 Molina Drive. I am really excited to show this property to you. This is not just a house. This is a home. Set on over 2 acres, there are 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. My favorite part of this home is the tranquil setting. Each room offers its own unique view of the beautiful natural surroundings. If you love to cook and garden to table living, you have got to see this garden. You have plenty of garden space here. It's fully irrigated and completely fenced, and the property has its own private well. There are tons of fruit trees on this property. Apples, apricot, plums, pears, citrus, and berries, just to name a few. If you're looking for a place to get away from it all and escape, you will have to see this beautiful property.